It's my 2003 Ford Mustang New Edge, and I got this issue where the leading edge of my headliner is coming apart. It's actually sort of separating from the plastic or the headliner material, and I don't think I can glue it. I think it's just going to continue to come apart. So I bought this. Some edge welting I think he would use for, I don't know, maybe edge protection or something like that. And what I'm going to attempt to do is tuck this fabric over the edge. It's kind of difficult to see, I guess. I'm going to attempt to use this to tuck that into place. So I'm going to try it, see how it goes. It isn't perfect, but it ends up working pretty good. And then all I did was I took this plastic pry tool and just sort of tucked it in there like you would any other upholstery. Just kind of shove it in there under those little teeth that are inside the edge welting. It isn't perfect, but it's a darn sight better than all that edge hanging down, the fabric hanging down, where it's just kind of flapping in the breeze, and I think it'll keep it from getting worse. But we'll see. I'll put a link to the product I bought in the description. It was pretty cheap.